All new or potential work for your business is entered into ServiceMate as a job. Every job has its own digital job card and job number. A job can have one of four statuses, being quote, work order, completed, or unsuccessful. These statuses are a fundamental part of how ServiceMate helps jobs flow through your business, so they cannot be customized. Each status has its own color, so you can see your job status at a glance. New jobs should always begin as a quote or work order, and finish as either completed or unsuccessful. In your account preferences, you can set the default status for every time you create a new job. You can update a job status in its job card, in both the desktop and the iOS app. If a job starts as a quote and the client accepts, you should update the job status to work order, then schedule the job to a staff member. If the client accepts your quote online, it will automatically update to work order. If a quote isn't necessary, you'd set the new job status straight to work order. Once all work on a job is done and it's ready to be invoiced, you should update its status to completed. Keep in mind that when you check out of a work order in the ServiceMate app, when you tap Job Complete and finish the checkout process, the job status will automatically update to completed. If a client doesn't accept your quote or a work order doesn't go ahead for some reason, the job status should be updated to unsuccessful. This is crucial for staying organized. Unsuccessful jobs are automatically archived, so they don't clutter your account. But these old jobs are always a quick search away in the jobs list, in your job history, or the specific client's history. So if you never hear back from a client about a quote, or a work order falls through and is going nowhere, update its status to unsuccessful. If the client gets back in touch, you can just search and open the job, change its status back, and pick up where you left off. Completed jobs are automatically archived as well to keep your account tidy. If you complete a job for a client and they get back in touch a few months later wanting some more work done, always start a new job for them as a new quote or work order.